Okay, for our math lesson today, we're going to build descending number stairs at concrete and pictorial levels. You should have brought some scrap paper to wad up into our snowballs, your pennies, and the mat that has the numbers like this for our lesson today. All right, let me share my screen. Okay, it says, I can build descending number stairs. Okay, we're going to start with our snowballs. So you should have 5 little wadded up pieces of paper, and we're going to work on tossing them, and we'll see how many we've thrown. So let me show you what I've got here. All right, so I'm going to start with throw your first one. So how many have you thrown? 1. How many are you still holding? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now throw another one. How many have you thrown now? 1, 2. How many are you still holding? 1, 2, 3. Throw another one. How many have you thrown? 1, 2, 3. How many are you still holding? 1, 1, 2. Throw another one. How many have you thrown? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are you still holding? 1. Throw that one. How many have you thrown now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are you still holding? 0. So each time our snowball pile got a little bit bigger because we added one more each time. Okay, let me share my screen. All right, so we're going to listen to a song real quick.
Farmer Brown had 5 green apples hanging on a tree. Farmer Brown had 5 green apples hanging on a tree. Then he plucked one apple and he ate it hungrily, leaving 4 green apples hanging on a tree. Farmer Brown had 4 green apples hanging on a tree. Farmer Brown had 4 green apples hanging on a tree. Then he plucked one apple and he ate it hungrily, leaving 3 green apples hanging on a tree. Farmer Brown had 3 green apples hanging on a tree. Farmer Brown had 3 green apples hanging on a tree. Then he plucked one apple and he ate it hungrily, leaving 2 green apples hanging on a tree. Farmer Brown had 2 green apples hanging on a tree. Farmer Brown had 2 green apples hanging on a tree. Then he plucked one apple and he ate it hungrily, leaving 1 green apple hanging on a tree. Farmer Brown had 1 green apple hanging on a tree. Farmer Brown had 1 green apple hanging on a tree. Then he plucked one apple and he ate it hungrily, leaving no green apples hanging on a tree.
Whoa. Oopsie. Okay, so you have your pennies and your mat that looks like this. Let me share my screen back to where we were. Okay. So let's start with the first column on your mat that says this number. What number is this? 5. How many pennies would we put here to fill this column? Count with me as I fill it in, and you can fill yours in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember the staircase that we made for the bear to get down? How can we make this chart look like our stairs? How many are we going to put here? 4. So you're going to put on 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then how many will we put here? 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to still go down. How many will we put here? 2. 1, 2. And how many will we put on this one? 1. Okay, so each time we put 1 less penny. So for your paper today, you have also are going to use the same paper, but you have stickers, and you're going to be doing that. You're going to be putting 5 in the first one, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1 until you have it all completed. So how was that kind of like the stairs that we made yesterday? Did the number keep going 1 less each time? And what happens if we started the staircase at the number 4? What would be 1 less than 4? 3. Okay, that's our math lesson for the day.